Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Friday, September 26, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hi, Alex. Good morning. How are you today?
Hi, David. I'm good, thanks. A bit tired from yesterday's meeting, and you?
I'm okay. This coffee helps a lot. It's strong today.
Yes, it is. I need it after a long week.
Me too. The office is busy. Did you hear the news about the Federal Reserve?
Yes, they cut interest rates. It's the first time this year.
Right. They lowered it by 25 basis points. Now it's 4% to 4.25%.
I read that. It's because of the weak job market.
Exactly. Hiring is slow. Unemployment is up a bit.
Jerome Powell said it's a challenging situation. Inflation is still there too.
Yeah, but lower rates help businesses, like us in sales.
True. Cheaper loans mean more projects for my team.
Our company could invest more, buy new tools, or expand.
That sounds good. It might create jobs here.
Hope so. I don't want more pressure on sales targets.
Understand? Rates affect everything, even our bonuses.
Funny you say that. If economy improves, bonuses go up.
Fingers crossed. Did you see the details on the cut?
Yes, they plan 2 more cuts this year, total 50 basis points.
Smart move. Balance jobs and prices.
Powell mentioned risks to employment. That's key.
Yes, we see it in reports. Fewer clients hiring.
In sales calls, people say budgets are tight.
Same in projects. Delays because of costs?
Lower rates fix that. Faster growth soon.
I think so. Good for the office mood.
Totally. Less stress all around.
Anyway, enough on money. What else is new?
Oh, speaking of changes, that cyber attack in Europe.
The one on airports? Yes, it's big news.
Hackers hit systems. Cause delays everywhere.
Flights canceled. Passengers stuck for hours.
Crazy. Major airports like in Germany and France.
It disrupted booking and security checks.
Imagine traveling for work. No way to fly.
We'd miss meetings. Use video calls instead.
Zoom saves the day, but it's scary.
Technology is key now. One attack stops everything.
Our office uses computers all time. What if here?
It would freak out. Need strong firewalls.
Yes. I email clients daily. Data must be safe.
Projects involve shared files. Hackers could steal.
Bad for business. Lose trust.
Governments say it's a cyber group from outside.
Europe tightens security now. Good lesson.
We should too. Talk to our IT guy.
Next week, prevent issues.
Smart. Tech news like this reminds us.
Rely on it too much. Balance needed.
True. Back to basics sometimes.
Like coffee breaks. No tech here.
Yes, simple joys.
Oh, and the news from Nepal, wild.
The Prime Minister resigned after protests?
Yes, youth led it. Over social media ban.
And corruption charges. Protests turned big.
Deadly too. People want free internet.
Social media connects everyone. Ban hurts.
In Nepal, it's about rights, free speech.
Global issue affects young people most.
Our team uses apps for work. Imagine ban here.
Chaos, no quick chats or shares.
Sales would suffer, no online leads.
Projects delay, communication key.
Politics there is tough, change coming.
Hope peaceful, lessons for world.
Social media power, good and bad.
Yes, use wisely in office.
Avoid drama, focus on tasks.
Exactly, news like this opens eyes.
Makes you think, grateful for stability.
Me too, our office is calm.
So, how's your project going?
Steady, deadline next week.
Tough, need help?
No thanks, team is good.
Mine too. New client today?
Exciting, close the deal.
We'll try, coffee fuels me.
Another cup? It's fresh.
Sure, black for me.
With milk here.
Perfect start, busy morning.
Meeting at 9 you?
Calls from 10 non-stop.
Survive it, lunch later?
Maybe cafeteria food.
Quick break, recharge?
Good plan. Weather nice outside.
Yes, walk after lunch?
If time, clear head.
Helps focus, end of week soon?
Friday feels good. Weekend plans?
Relax, family time?
Nice, I hike maybe.
Sounds fun, fresh air.
Beats office sometimes.
But Joe pays bills.
True, grateful here.
Me too, team is great.
See you around. Good luck today.
Thanks, you too.
Have a good day. Bye.
See you later. Take care.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.